Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Giovanni Ramadansyah. I'm from class 98 English department. Using inquiry method to improve the students' reading comprehension. A classroom action research abstract. This is research aimed to explain the improvement of the student reading comprehension in terms of literal comprehension dealing with and word meaning, ideas, and interpretive comprehension dealing caution. To explain the improvement, the researchers used a classroom action research, which was location of this research was taken at the first semester student of English Education Department, with a number of the subject were 29 students. The research finding indicated that application of inquiry method was significant in improving the students' reading comprehension in terms of literal comprehension and interpretive comprehension. Research findings indicated that the application of inquiry method was significant in improving the students' reading comprehension in terms of literal comprehension and imperative comprehension. It was proved by the mean score comprehension of cycle I was. It was classified as fair then improved to be. It was classified as good a cycle. They are hidden the mean score of diagnosed test, namely 58,40 that classified as poor. Therefore, there was the improvement of the student reading comprehension in terms of literal comprehension dealing with word meaning and mind ideas and interpretive comprehension dealing conclusion. Definition of reading. Hornby 1994-1043 in INITA 2010. Reading is the action of person who reads. Reading is complex process. Every reader gives reason in his or her to establish meaning. God 1973 414 state reading is often described as getting thought from printed page. From this question, the reader they comprehend further the reading is not just to say out written words but also to keep into mind the meaning or thought the words carry. Program consequently should direct it to the realization of the goal. Steinberg 1992 state the reading is a form of communication, the goal of which is the reception of information through written form in means a teaching. In addition, reading involves interaction between a reader and written language through which the reader tries to reconstruct the written message. Barnes et al. 1996 in Sarofa 2019-10. It is process of combining textual information with the information the reader brings to the text. It means that reader is not simply extracting information from the text, but also exhibiting and writing knowledge in his her mind. From some definition about reading above, the research concludes that reading is very significant for us as students because it's process of obtaining knowledge from written text. Moreover, information obtained can be applied in our daily lives and in this search in concrete with the study of comprehending reading text, which is intended to convey reading that we can comprehend reading text easily. Reading comprehension. Harris and Sipai 1980-8 state that reading comprehension is the result interaction between the perception of graphic symbols that present language, skill and knowledge of the word. The reader comprehends by actually interaction, meaning internal from interaction with the material that is read. Anderson and Persson 1984 in Yasin Nur Laila 2010-15. Comprehension is the art process of comprehending beside whole. State the reading comprehension is the main actor power of interesting according to ranking and Skinner in Irawati 2005-6. She state the reading comprehension understanding what has been read. It is an active thinking process that develops not only comprehension skill but also the student express empirical knowledge. Comprehension involves interesting vocabulary, seeing the relationship among words and concepts, making judgment and evaluation. Based on definition about we might conclude the reading comprehension is such a kind of language between author and reader in which the written language becomes the medium that causes the dialogue happen when the two persons communicate through the medium print. Level of reading comprehension. Barnes 1984 banding 1177 divides reading comprehension skill into 4 levels as gives below. Literal comprehension. Petit and T. and Kecker IY 1974 banding 64. The majority of studies have found reading comprehension to be composed of two broad categories: literal comprehension, inferential comprehension, based on ALS 2008. Literal reading refers to ideas and directly started or the printed page. Literal reading in the skill of getting the primary reached literal meaning of sentence in context. The basic of literal comprehension are recognizing state idioms, detail, effects, and sequence. The basic of literal comprehension are. Thank you. Bye bye. Interpretive of inferential comprehension. Barnes in Astriani 2007 defines or interpretive reading is measured between in the lens of making inference. It is the process of driving ideas that are implied rather than directly stated or implied where the inferences draw conclusion right between the lens to get inference or implied meaning from the right. Thank you.